So, if you're not too sure how to join Ideograms Discord, then let me quickly show you how. Now, once you're logged into Ideogram, we want to come up to the settings just here. Then, if we scroll all the way down, we're going to see Discord Community. Now, if we click on here, it is going to open in a brand new tab, and we do need to currently have a Discord account to actually join. Now, once this is open, all we have to do is click on Accept Invite. We're going to give this a second, and now we're in. So again, you do need to have a Discord account to do this. Then you're going to find everything that you need to know over here on the left-hand side. Now, even further on the left-hand side, it's going to show you all of your Discord servers that you are a part from. As we can see, I'm a part of Midjourney, Luma AI, and now Ideogram. And we can check through announcements, community, support, bug report, feature requests, and a few more by the community. But that's just how easy it is to join Ideogram's Discord. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch my Ideogram playlist.